Chapter 4. The biggest herb, banana tree, flat green portion of the leaf, leaf blade, cactus cascata plant, parasite plant, gulmohar, complete flower, date palm, incomplete flower, female reproductive part, carpel. Chapter 5. Animal form and function. Which of the following system produce offspring? Reproductive system. Which of the following system remove the waste from the body? Excretive system. Which of the following protect the brain, skull? Which type of muscle are under control? Voluntary muscle. Which joint of allow movement bones in various direction? Free movable joint. Which joints allow rotation on and on axis? Pivot joints. Group of organ work together to carry various function of the body. True. The nervous system of the control of the body function. True. Movement of the act of the body from one place to another place. True. The skull is made of 33 bone. False. The ribs joint to backbone of the back. True. The gliding joint is the present of the bone of the ankle. True. Or fill in the blanks. There are many organ system in the together form of our body. Earthworm have a liquid skeleton. The snail mostly have moved to crawling motion of their foot. The skeletal system contains bones and cartilage. The upper arm of one long hand, the bone called humerus. The neck and the forms have pivot joints. Ball and socket joint, hips and shoulder. Pivot joint, neck and forms. Gliding joint, ankle joints. Skeleton, bones and cartilage. Hinge joint, elbow joints. Muscles, contraction and relaxation. Chapter 6. Fiber to fabric. Which of the following is plant fiber? Cotton. Which of the following is animal fiber? Silk. Cashmere is obtained from Kashmiri goat. Which soil is best for jute? Alluvial soil. Sweater and socks are made up of knitting. Synthetic material are often mixed with none of these. True, false. The early man used to protect their body by wearing animal skin. True. Cotton is the light and reasonable smooth. True. Jute is the smooth and shiny. False. Fur is the obtained various animals such as a rabbit, mink, bear easily. Synthetic fiber wrinkly easily. False. Or looms are either hand operated, power operated. True. Fill in the blank. Ancient Indians wore fabric to make light cotton. Synthetic cotton is light and smooth. Wool is obtained from the sheep. Synthetic fiber, also known as artificial fiber. Knitting is done by the hand, also in machine. Jute is the make sacks and others wrapping materials. And cotton plant, silk, silkworm, cashmere, Kashmiri goat, fur, beaver, jute. Petsum plant, wool, sheep. Chapter 7. Or separation of substance. Salt water and iron are example of pure substance. Pure water is sea level is about at 100 degrees Celsius. Which of the following boil at? Which of the method of separation is usually served by farmer to husk from grains, winnowing? The process of which heavier particle insoluble solid and the liquid of settle down is called sedimentation. Which of the following method is based on the principle of magnetic substance can be separated from non-magnetic substance? Use a magnetic separation. Which of the method is the separation of the particle liquid in a liquid is a centrifugation. A mixture contain more than component. True. Melting and the boiling point of liquid. False. Loading and a dust particle, suspending particle occur when it rain. True. Centrifugation is used to dry separation of cream from milk. True. The process of the conversion of water vapor into liquid form is called evaporation. False. And sublimation of the is used to convert into liquid into vapor form. False. Solid is the form of mixture and pure substance are made up of one kind of particle. The constituents of a mixture may be present in any ratio. Hand picking is used to method slightly large side by impurities. The training of the tea is a very common example of filtration. The process of the conversion of a liquid into vapor form is the evaporation. Iron, pure substance. Soil, mixture, milk and cream. Centrifugation से tea leaves from tea. Filtration, water and grease. Flotation, ammonium chloride. Sublimation. Iron is a pure substance. Soil, mixture, milk milk is a centrifugation. Leaves, filtration, water and grease, flotation, ammonium chloride, centrifugation. Chapter 8. Motion and the measurement of distance. The standard unit of the length of the SI system meter. The standard unit of mass SI system kilogram. Kelvin is the standard unit of temperature. One century is the 10 decades. 100 kg is the 1 quintal. 10 years is the 1 decade. We cannot rest and motion at the same time. False. And the invention of the wheel, about the revolution of transport. True. All musical system like tabla, drum, violin, oscillation is false. The wheel of a sewing machine is a circular system. True. The motion of the measurement we need to fabric accurate. True. Second is the standard unit of time. True. The movement of the pendulum is the oscillating motion. The movement of the earth is the periodic motion. The flying is motion is called the random motion. The earth keeps rotating on axis as well as the revolution of the sun. Measuring of the measuring around the tape is the measuring of curved as well as a straight object. Ruler and meter scale also you measuring the straight objects. Measuring is the straight objects. Chapter 9. Light, shadow and reflection. Which of the following is the natural source of light? Sun. Which of the following man-made source of light? Electric bulb. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Light travel in straight line. Substance which do not allow to pass light. An opaque object. Muddy water is a translucent objects. Light is a form of energy and is essential for life. True. Luminous objects do not require to other source of light of seen. True. Moon is luminous object. False. Day and night are due to cause to traveling the line of the straight line. True. Wood and stone, bricks, metal are translucent object. False. The shadow of the object form opposite direction is called light. So true. The biggest source of the light is sun. All non-luminous objects are the reflection of the light of sun. Substance which allow to most of the amount to light passes them to true is the transparent object. A shadow is the reason without light from the light is the opaque object. A dash solar eclipse can be seen the areas of the earth. These areas of the earth. Image is the form of the inclination reflection. Sun, luminous object. Candle, man-made source of light. Moon, non-luminous object. Star, natural source of light. Book, opaque object. Lunar eclipse, full moon day. Chapter 10. Electric current. Which of the following material are used to electric wires? Metal. Electric wire can flow. All of these. Human, mercury, graphite. Which of this cell can be used to again recycling? Secondary cell. Which of the following is an insulator? Plastic. Which of the following an conductor? Carbon, salt solution, impure water. All of these. Our body is conductor of electricity. The battery is an inverter used to home and office. True. Electric cell are 4 types. False. Cells are different shape and size. True. A dynamo runs fuel as a petrol. True. The small coiled wire filament of the bulb. True. An electric current has electric energy. True. Fill in the blank. In a cell, chemical stored electric cell are easily affectable. The wire inside the glass case in the bulb are made up of tungsten. The flow of electric current goes positive terminal to negative terminal. Insulator used to cover conductor or prevent current leakage. And conductors are used to make the provide chemical devices through which current must pass. Class 6 finish.